Hello everybody and welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your WordPress website just by doing a simple cleanup. And this cleanup should be done at least once a quarter. And I have a list of things that I do. So I'm going to show you that list, but I just want to show you that I ran this report from PageSpeed Insights from Google. And I did that this morning at 4:33. And I'm going to just clean up my website. I'm going to show you how I do it as I go. And then we're going to do another test to see how this shows up. So let's get started with that. So as you can see, the first thing on my list is snapshot and backup. So the first thing you want to do, I'm going to be using my website here, my personal website, is you're going to want a snapshot back. So you want to back up your website. And I'm going to back up my website with the all-in-one WordPress migration tool. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go look at backups. And right now in my cache, I don't have any backups at all. So I'm going to go to create a backup. And by the way, folks, if you don't have this plugin on your WordPress website, I will leave a link in the description below about the plugin, how to install it, and how to actually back up your website so that you can do this without, because if you do stuff on your website and you hurt it, then if you don't have the backup, you can't get back to where you were, right? So anyway, we're going to download this, and I'm just going to download it in this folder right here so I know where it's at. And so now I'm going to close. Now we have a backup of the website right here, as you can see. So anyway, so now I'm going to go and I'm going to clean things up. So the next thing on my list is theme, plugins, and declutter. So go to the appearance themes and then keep your active theme and the other themes that come with your website. Normally when you just install WordPress from your hosting account, they usually come with themes that are just put in there because they want you to try different themes, I guess. I don't know. But we're going to go there and we're going to check out the themes that are installed. That shouldn't be there. So we're going to go to appearance. We're going to go to themes. And we can see here we have themes here that I don't really want. This is my Divi theme. This is where I have active. And this is the child thing that goes with the main theme right here. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to just click on this. And I am going to click on this delete right here. And I'm going to say OK and delete it. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other ones right here. Delete. OK. And then I'm going to click here. I'm going to say delete. OK. All right. So now that we deleted those, let's go back here to our steps and now say now plugin sort by inactive. If you don't need it, delete it. Okay, so that's the main. If you don't need it, delete it because that just takes up space, right? So let's go here. Let's go to plugins. Let's go to install plugins and let's check out all the plugins. Okay, so I don't have any plugins here that are okay. So I have a plugin here that's here, but it's not deleted and I haven't been using it. So I'm just going to click here, just going to check these right here, see if there's any more down here that need to be okay. So I'm going to go to bulk actions and I'm going to click on delete and I'm going to apply and it's going to ask me if I'm sure. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to delete those and I'm going to look at plugins to see if there's any that I don't need. Okay, I found another one that I don't use anymore here, and that's WP Response Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it right here. Okay. Okay, so let's go to our checklist and see what else I need to do. Okay, number 3, media library cleanup. Open media library, switch to list view, sort by size or date, remove giant test videos, duplicate images if you used a lot of temporary images. Okay, so basically we need to go to the media library. So I'm going to go ahead to media library here, which is up here, media library. So we're going to go here. It's right over here. Switch to list view, just like that. And it says to sort by date, which is right over here. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. And so now we got from, the most recent to the least. And so now it says to go ahead and to remove giant test videos and duplicate images. If you use a lot of temporary images, delete them, blah, blah, blah. So I've decided that all these images from 2018, I'm going to go ahead and delete those. And so I just clicked on this just to check everything right here. And I'm going to go to bulk actions and go to delete permanently and apply. Okay. And those should be all done. So now we're still in 2018. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete those. And I'm going to keep doing this until I get rid of all these other all these other images, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, now that I cleaned up all my images and videos, I'm going to go back here and see what else is on the list. So number 4 is database and transients, clean post revisions, trash, and spam comments. We're going to go to the cache, which is right here. And I'm going to say purge all. And so now it purged all the cache. So now the next thing was, let's see here. Clean post revisions, trash. Okay, so let's go to the trash bin right here. So I'm going to go to pages, all pages. I'm going to go to the trash bin, which I don't have anything in the trash. I'm going to go to the posts. And there I don't have anything with trash. Okay, now it's step number 5. I already did my cache as you've seen before. And it says to retest your home page. You should see smaller page size, a quicker time to faster byte. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me go to page speed insights right here. And now let me analyze this again. Going to take a second. I'll come back when it's done. Okay, folks, as you can see, I just ran this again. And as you can see, it's the same date. It's just a few hours or an hour or so later. But anyway, the performance went up to 71 on mobile, and it's 99% on desktop. So doing those few things does help your website. There's another way that you can improve the website speed that I will talk about in another video. But for basically speeding up your website, all you have to do is those few things. I will definitely put a link to this. I will definitely insert the steps that I used here in the description of this video. So all you got to do is go down there and you can copy paste this into a Word doc or something like that you can use over and over. I recommend you do this at least once a quarter so you keep your website clean, fast, and efficient. If this video helped you, if you got any value out of it, please consider subscribing to the channel and tinging the icon bell so that you're notified every time I come out with another WordPress or Divi 5 video just like this one. Again, thank you for watching.